Pyros fired for that trunk separation.
Dragon SpaceX, nominal trunk jettison.
Copy, nominal trunk jettison.
All right.
Com roll.
Dragon SpaceX, deorbit burn complete and nominal. Nose cone closure initiated.
SpaceX Dragon copies.
So as we were saying, if you're in Central Florida, head outside right now. You should be able to see this glowing streak cross over as we are targeting. There's that streak I was just mentioning. That's a live view, not thermal. This is heading towards the Atlantic coast capsule prior to those main parachute deployments.
Drogue pyros have fired, and we have good confirmation of drogue shoots. 2 drogues. 2 shoots that you see be released from the capsule, just like so, and release the 4 parachutes, now deploying.
At this point in time, Dragon has saved all of its propulsion systems and is now has already terminated that nitrox suit and cabin purges. Those were helping to keep the crew cool during the reentry. Looks like we have 4 very beautiful and healthy main parachutes.
Dragon, we see a nominal descent rate on 4 healthy mains.
Dragon Endeavour continuing its slow descent. There we can see splashdown on screen. Those parachutes are then cut and released.
NASA astronaut Steve Bowen, the first to exit the Dragon spacecraft.
We can now see Woody Hoberg making his way, pilot of Crew-6, making his way down the slide. Looks like some excitement, possibly some more applause happening off camera.
There's Roscosmos cosmonaut Andrei Fedyaev being assisted by the recovery teams.
Medical bay, the return to gravity can be pretty jarring on the human body, so we slide them down a little Dragon fun slide, assist them into the wheeled chair, and roll them over to the medical bay. And just like that, the 4th crew member, 1 hour exactly on the nose since splashdown, has now egressed from Dragon Endeavour.